Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a great online school. It's like elementary school and high school in English. It has many different kinds of subjects and is very good if you want to learn academic English or other academic subjects. Let's try. So in Google, go to Khan Academy. Khan space Academy. Push enter. You will see this. If this comes up, click strict necessarily only. It'll ask you for a donation, but you do not need to donate. Hit X. So Khan Academy is good for children, but it's also good for adults too. Let's try. So go to I'm a Learner, and it'll ask you for your birth date. You can enter your real birth date, but I'm a little shy. So I'm going to say January 1970. You can use this too if you want. Now you need to sign up. So you have to click this box. It's their terms of service. And then you enter your information here. You can sign up with Google. You can sign up in Facebook, with Apple, or with Microsoft. But it's easy to sign up with email. So let's do that. I am typing my email address here. And you can click on the I to show you the password you just typed. Make sure you write down your password or take a picture of it. We can't help you if you lose your password, okay? So make sure you write it down. Once you do that, click sign up. Then it'll ask you for your first name and last name. I like to put my first name, but I like to keep my last name private. And then you will click Enter Khan Academy for Learners. Click on that. So it's coming now. It'll have some information for you, just about features or things the program can do. They're not so important. Click X. But this is important. This is the grade that you are in, or you think you are in. So there's kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. So this is elementary school. Next is secondary school or high school. So grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then there's university or adult learners. If you're an adult learner, like a LINC learner, you can choose adult learner. Remember though, that all of this is in English. So if you choose grade 12, that means you're going to see grade 12 English. If your goal is to learn English, you should start at a lower level. Next, it'll ask you if you want to learn math. You don't have to, but you can choose it if you want. There's also science, and you can see all of the subjects here. And then there's economics, arts, humanities, computers, and test preparation, grammar. So for me, I'm interested in grammar. I want to learn a lot about grammar, so I'm going to click on that. And that's good. It might ask you for another donation. If it does, click on the X. And here we are. So remember, this is academic English. So you won't learn about communication, and it won't be like LINC. This is like it is in school, elementary school, high school. You learn about the grammar of the English language. But it's very important to know if you want to take academic upgrading or college or university English at Keanu College or other places in Fort McMurray. So you'll see this and you can click start. And here we go. First, it'll tell me about the unit. It'll tell me welcome to the grammar. I should click on that. And then there's usually a video.
Hi everyone, my name is David and I'm here to introduce you to grammar on Khan Academy. Welcome, I'm so glad you could join me.
There are many videos on Khan Academy. It will help you learn a lot, so you should watch the entire video. When you're finished, you can look down here and click on transcript, and it'll have the words, it'll have sentences, it'll have a transcript of what was said. So if you didn't hear, you can come back here. When you're ready, you can click on lesson 2, and there's a new video. This one is about nouns.
Hello grammarians, welcome to the English parts of speech. We're going to begin with the noun, the lovely, wonderful noun.
So he speaks in English, and he can speak pretty quickly, right? So what you can do, if you're not sure, you can click on subtitles.
A noun
There we go.
is
You can see it.
basically anything.
If you want to slow it down, click on this little wheel, and then choose speed, and change it to, say, half.
And I know that's not necessary.
And he'll speak slowly. Okay. So there'll be another video, and then you can see down below there's an exercise, and then there'll be some practice. So this is very nice because it shows you a video, there's some reading, and there's an exercise. Maybe you want to learn something else. Maybe you don't want grammar. Let's see what else they have. So you go here to explore, and these are all the topics that you can study here. Maybe you're still interested in English, but you want to do reading. Maybe reading is important for you. Maybe you're a LINC 3 or 4 student. This would be a good place to start. You would click on this one here, 4th grade reading and vocabulary. And you can see there are some units here. These are stories that you'll have to read. Over here you can see each unit has a number of exercises, and it tells you what you'll learn. If we go down, we can see an introduction, and here's the first unit. Let's click on that. Heroes and heroines. If you choose a unit and you don't know these words, the unit is probably too difficult for you. You can try it, but if you don't understand the first words, it's probably better to choose an easier unit or a lower grade. I don't know these words. I'd better change. So what I do is go back to Explore, English Language Arts, and let's try 3rd grade. Pets, homes, extreme environment. That sounds better. I know what those things are. Maybe not extreme, but I know what an environment is. So let's go down and see the first unit is pets. This will tell you about the unit, and you'll have to start reading right away. Building knowledge. There's a couple of exercises here. You'll click on that. There'll be a picture, and then there's a reading. There's some questions down here, and you can type in your answer, but if you don't want to answer it, you can just click up next article. It goes on to the next part. And this is a list of some useful and interesting words, so this might be good for you. It says the word actually, it has the definition, it has a sample sentence, so that can be helpful to learn lots of new English. There are many words here you can study. And then you'll click up next, lesson 2. And there's a bit of a lesson. The topic is summarizing informational text. How to do a summary. You'll click the video.
Hello, readers.
And you'll watch the video until it finishes. And you'll learn lots. Remember, I slowed down the video, so that's why he's talking so slowly. To do that, you can go to this wheel, and you can change the speed. Oh, here you can change captions too. So if you want English, you can have that. Maybe you want a different language. Let's see if they have it. Let's see. It says auto-translate. Maybe I want... Oh, let's try Arabic. So let's start over here.
An article, a book, a news story, a scientific paper.
You can see here, there is Arabic, right? So there's a good translation for you if you're not sure of what he's saying. You can click on to the next video, and there's many videos to continue. To see what you have to do to finish the unit, just go down here. There's a lot of stuff to learn. Okay. So there you go. There is a quick introduction to Khan Academy. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you give it a try. It's a little difficult. It is academic English, but if you're serious about your English, you can do it. I know you can. Have a great day.